Did you know that ancient Egyptian royalty used castor oil as their secret beauty treatment for flawless, youthful skin? That's right. While today's celebrities are spending thousands on Botox injections, this simple natural oil might be nature's answer to wrinkle-free skin. And it costs less than your morning coffee. I've spent the last 3 months testing this ancient beauty secret, and what I discovered will shock you. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share my experience using castor oil as a natural alternative to Botox. For months I've been hearing about castor oil being called nature's Botox, and I just had to see if it really works. Could this thick, sticky oil actually compete with expensive cosmetic injections? Let's find out! I've been noticing some fine lines starting to appear on my forehead and around my eyes. You know, those little reminders that we're not getting any younger. And while I'm all for aging gracefully, I still want to look my best. Maybe you've been feeling the same way? Have you caught yourself looking in the mirror, pulling your skin back a bit, wondering what you'd look like with a little help? Let's be honest, the aspiration for beautiful, youthful skin is completely natural. Our skin is basically telling the story of what's happening inside our bodies. It's our largest organ and often the first place to show signs of aging, stress, or health issues. But here's the thing. The method we choose to achieve that youthful look matters a lot. Because what good is having wrinkle-free skin if the treatment is potentially damaging your health in other ways? Today, we're diving into a hot topic, Botox versus castor oil. Both are popular choices for tackling wrinkles, but they couldn't be more different. Let's explore what each one brings to the table. Before I share my castor oil journey, let's talk about what Botox actually is. Many people don't realize this, but Botox is actually a neurotoxin derived from bacteria called Clostridium botulinum. Yes, you heard that right. It's literally a toxin that temporarily paralyzes your muscles so they can't contract and form wrinkles. In small, controlled doses, it's considered safe by medical professionals, but it's still essentially a poison that your body has to process. And while Botox has become incredibly popular, not just for the wealthy anymore but for regular folks like us, there are some pretty concerning potential side effects that nobody seems to talk about. These can include muscle weakness, vision problems, trouble swallowing or talking, and even loss of bladder control in some cases. Some people also experience headaches, flu-like symptoms, and pain or swelling at injection sites. Is that really a price worth paying for smoother skin? But here's what really shocked me. A recent study from USC found that Botox injections can actually affect your ability to empathize with others. The study showed that it not only impairs your ability to express emotions, but can also reduce your ability to comprehend emotions from others. That means it's potentially affecting your brain function. Isn't that concerning? Our facial expressions are so closely tied to how we process and understand emotions, both our own and others. Could altering this natural process have long-term effects we don't fully understand yet? So when I heard about castor oil being a natural alternative, I was immediately interested. I mean, who wouldn't prefer a natural solution if it actually works, right? But I was skeptical too. How could something so simple compete with modern cosmetic procedures? I decided to dive deep into the research before trying it myself. The science behind castor oil. What makes castor oil so special for skin? Let me break it down for you with all the details I discovered. First, castor oil contains a fatty acid called ricinoleic acid. This special compound does something amazing. It penetrates deeper into the skin than almost any other natural oil. Most oils just sit on the surface, but castor oil actually gets down into the deeper layers where the real magic happens. As it penetrates, it actually traps moisture in your skin, which gives you that plump, hydrated look that we all want. This deep hydration is key for reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Second, castor oil reduces inflammation. Think about it. Almost every skin problem, whether it's acne, psoriasis, or general aging, involves inflammation. When our skin is inflamed, even microscopically, it looks puffy, red, or uneven. By calming inflammation at the cellular level, castor oil helps your skin heal and look more youthful. It's like giving your skin a chance to reset and recover from daily stressors. Third, and this is the big one, castor oil actually increases collagen production. If you know anything about skincare, you know that collagen is what keeps our skin tight and youthful. It's the structural protein that gives our skin its firmness and elasticity. As we age, we produce less collagen, which leads to sagging and wrinkles. Most anti-aging products on the market claim to boost collagen, but very few natural options actually deliver. Botox tries to create the appearance of tightness by freezing muscles, but castor oil works with your body to actually increase collagen production naturally. This means you're not just masking the problem, you're addressing it at the source. Fourth, castor oil is packed with vitamin E, which protects your skin from UV radiation. This powerful antioxidant helps fight free radical damage from sun exposure and environmental pollutants. So not only is it helping repair existing damage, it's also preventing future damage from the sun. Think of it as a natural sunscreen booster, though you should still wear actual sunscreen during the day, of course. And here's a bonus benefit I wasn't even looking for. Castor oil can help grow thicker eyebrows and eyelashes. I know many of you have asked about natural ways to enhance your lashes and brows, and this might be your answer. The same properties that stimulate collagen in your skin can also strengthen and nourish hair follicles, leading to fuller brows and lashes over time. Who doesn't want to save money on expensive lash serums and brow products? Lastly, castor oil is amazing for evening out skin tone and reducing the appearance of scars. Whether you have hyperpigmentation, dark spots, or hypopigmentation, light spots, regular application of castor oil can help even things out over time. It can even help break down scar tissue from old injuries or surgeries, making the skin surface smoother and more uniform. This means you might need less concealer and foundation, another win for your beauty budget. My castor oil routine and results. So, how did I use it? Here's exactly what I did. Every night before bed, I took a small amount of castor oil, just a few drops because this stuff is thick, and gently massaged it into the areas where I was noticing wrinkles. For me, that was mainly my forehead and around my eyes. I also paid special attention to the nasolabial folds, those lines from your nose to the corners of your mouth and my neck, which is often overlooked in skincare routines. I spent about 20 to 30 seconds massaging each area, making sure the oil was fully absorbed. The massage itself has benefits too. It stimulates blood flow to the skin, which brings oxygen and nutrients that help with cell renewal. Since castor oil is so thick, I made sure to do this at night rather than in the morning before applying makeup. And yes, you might want to use an old pillowcase just in case. I learned that lesson the hard way after a few oil stains on my favorite pillowcases. I also applied a tiny amount to my eyebrows and eyelashes using my fingertips, being very careful not to get it in my eyes. For the lashes, I found that using a clean mascara wand worked really well for application. Just dip it lightly in the oil and brush through your lashes like you would with mascara. It's important to note that I committed to doing this every single night, no matter how tired I was. Consistency is absolutely crucial with natural remedies. There were definitely nights when I was exhausted and almost skipped it, but I reminded myself that natural solutions require dedication to see results. Now, the results. I've been doing this consistently for about 3 months, and here's what I've noticed. The fine lines on my forehead are significantly less noticeable. They haven't completely disappeared. Remember, this isn't actually paralyzing muscles like Botox does, but they're much less defined. I used to have one particularly deep line between my eyebrows that would make me look angry or concerned even when I wasn't. That line has softened so much that it's barely visible now. My skin overall looks more hydrated and plump. That dewy look that everyone's trying to achieve with expensive moisturizers? I've got it naturally now. My makeup goes on smoother, and I actually find myself using less foundation because my skin tone is more even. The skin around my eyes feels firmer and those little crow's feet are less visible when I smile. This was particularly noticeable around the 6-week mark. I caught myself in a mirror while laughing and was surprised by how much smoother the skin looked. My neck skin, which has always been a concern, feels tighter and shows fewer lines. This is huge because neck skin is thinner and often shows aging faster than facial skin. And a surprising benefit, my eyebrows and eyelashes do look thicker. My lashes especially seem longer and stronger, and I've had friends ask if I'm using a growth serum. When I tell them it's just castor oil, they're always shocked. Another unexpected result was that an old acne scar on my chin has faded significantly. I wasn't even applying the oil there specifically for that purpose, but it's been a welcome side effect. One thing I want to emphasize, patience is key here. Unlike Botox, which shows results almost immediately, castor oil is a natural solution that works with your body's own processes. It took about a month before I started noticing subtle changes, and the full benefits became apparent after about 3 months of consistent use. There's no instant gratification here, but the results feel more natural and holistic. If you're thinking about trying this yourself, let me share a few tips I learned along the way. First, not all castor oil is created equal. I recommend looking for black Jamaican castor oil. It's considered the highest quality and most effective version for skin and hair benefits. Look for organic cold-pressed versions for the purest form without chemical processing. Second, always do a patch test before applying it all over your face. While castor oil is natural, allergic reactions can still happen. Apply a small amount on your inner arm and wait 24 hours to make sure you don't have a reaction. Third, a little goes a long way. You only need a few drops for your entire face. Using too much might leave you feeling greasy and could potentially clog pores. Start with less than you think you need. You can always add more. Fourth, consistency is crucial. This isn't a one-time treatment. You need to make it part of your nightly routine to see results. Set a reminder on your phone if you need to. Fifth, if the thickness bothers you, you can mix it with a lighter carrier oil like jojoba or argan oil to make application easier while still getting the benefits. So, would I recommend castor oil as a natural alternative to Botox? Absolutely! While it doesn't deliver the immediate dramatic results that Botox does, it offers something much more valuable: natural, healthy improvement to your skin that works with your body rather than against it, and at a fraction of the cost of Botox treatments. A good bottle of castor oil costs around $10 to $15 and will last you months, compared to Botox treatments that can run $300 to $500 every few months. Plus, instead of potentially damaging side effects, you're getting additional benefits like UV protection and improvements to your eyebrows and eyelashes. It's a win-win situation. And let's not forget, you're avoiding putting actual toxins into your body. That peace of mind alone is worth considering this natural alternative. I'd love to hear if any of you have tried castor oil for skin benefits. Have you noticed improvements? Would you consider trying it as an alternative to more invasive treatments like Botox? Drop your experiences or questions in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want more natural beauty tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. I've got tons more natural beauty secrets to share with you all. Until next time, remember, beauty doesn't have to come with health risks. Nature often provides every